Okay, look cool.
Oh, 90 degrees, and you're going to Disneyland?
Okay, look okay.
Could you please straighten me right now? Oh, man. Yeah, nerd fist the like button. Definitely nerd fist it. Oh, Verdict Squad, did you know this is a mod for mod stream?
Looks like David already booked her room.
Okay.
It's not everywhere but here. Crying out loud.
I'll just switch this one here. Take this one away.
Looks like David finished his car repairs. Maybe there's some more clues around.
Okay, look cool. One,
David must be working for the president.
3, 4.
Should I have signed the
Verdict
petition?
Squad.
Medical sure isn't safe and private anymore.
It's gonna catch on, Verdict Squad, and you're gonna get all the thanks for it. Verdict Squad. Clapping.
And one more.
Mod for mod streams.
Now he was
That
trying
will be.
to twist that knife. At least
Okay,
that's
so
one weird thing.
as last time I get so many of this,
I wish I had
how
some
they were
minutes
called,
for that conversation.
programmable controller. So I decided to scrap most of them
Should I have signed
because
the
I'm
petition?
missing actually some parts
Sure isn't
like
safe and private
display
anymore.
with the buttons and everything, so it's basically useless until I connect them to the computer. So I got one newer version
Yeah, honestly, the temperature is
like
quite
this,
comfortable, but
and
it's
I
crappy
think
outside.
this one I will keep for now.
Probably a little bit rainy.
Anyway,
Temperature is actually, I'm okay with 50.
I don't know if I use it anytime. If I do, that will be cool. If not, I will just scrap it. So this one I will just keep.
I wish Chloe could too.
And all the rest I will just scrap. So let's just look what we got inside of those stuff. This is basically the same, but a little bit smaller version, and yeah, a little bit newer. So just put this to our side somewhere. And I will just play with this one. And first thing I wanted to do, just get rid of the battery. There's plugs and battery, and it looked like, what is this, 3.6 volt battery.
For once, I don't have time to search for the code.
Lithium ion. So then 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. So those little guy should get opened. Yeah, just like that.
Another photo from my Arcadia Bay wildlife series.
Another 4 screws. There we go. Nice circuit board. 2 memory chip. This is something I don't know. One nice north-south bridge. EEPROM, I believe. Let's just get rid of this sticker.
I hope the choice was brilliant and never.
There we go. Nice EEPROM. Gold plated pins in this. Plugs, jumper to the collection. I see in here, I see in here. Crystal oscillator in here as well. Cool. This I'm not really sure what those are. Few more ICs. Another gold plated pins. Behind, not much, just 2 sets of nice gold plated contacts, and that's basically it. So very cool circuit board, at least mid-weight. Now I just lose my EEPROM. It just fall down somewhere. I don't see it. Too bad. I will find it later on. Anyway, and 2 more of IC, analog ICs. They could also contain gold. Great. This is just piece of plastic. Nothing spectacular. Second board. Looking not so bad. There we go. I got it out.
Burning Squad, have you played this game before? Do you like it? What do you think of this game?
So what do we have here? Just tiny piece of wiring. Just so much. 2 non-gold plated plugs. Not really much on behind, just 1 tiny capacitor. And after I know those things, if I get these 2 screws at the edge, that will come out, all this connector.
Yeah, it really does try to be.
And there is like gold plated pins inside. So I just put it to a side somewhere. Second set as well. Same deal. And as I play with that things, I know if I just spray it in here, sometimes it could get difficult, but anyway, there we go. Empty plastic, nothing there, and all the gold plated beads are revealed. I did actually check out on the same things like this. There's the second one. So I don't know if you can see, but first one I test with 18 carats, 14 carats and 10 carats, and all of them show up some reaction, but all of them survived without so much damage, as you can see. So it totally means it's gold plated. So cool. There's the second set. It's basically the same thing I did with this one. Here I have the second set. All those blue things is relays, so that's also cool. This will contain silver, and like a lot of IC chips.
Hey Max, how you doing?
That's cool. Just need a little bit more processing. Anyway, what else do we have in this item? Another 4 screws. So this is typical power board with huge capacitors. Here we have simple aluminum heatsink mounted with 2 screws. Then we can just easily bend it. There we go. So there's our clear aluminum piece of sheeting. This is some IC. Just break it up. It has great amount of copper in there. Tiny transformer. Let's just play with the analog ICs and MOSFETs. This one is actually IC. Okay, don't want to go out easy way, so there we go. Nice extruded alu piece. And this one break easy as well. Let's get away another screw. There we go. Another one piece of extruded.
It's been so long since I've seen you. Life fits in so easily with Justin.
Another IC. One more tiny one, but let's just get it. Another piece of extruded. Another IC. This is resistor, this is diodes, kind of tiny spool, kind of tiny Rafal transformer, I mean. Let's just try to grab this spool, how easy it will get.
See you later, Renaissance. Peace out, bro. Thanks for stopping in. Mariska, hey! Mariska made it. Mariska just had some kitties.
That's it. This is just ferromagnite.
Yeah, I'm not watching the World Cup anyway.
This is
I
just
catch it
copper.
on the news.
Small amount, but always something. Anyway,
This guy looks like
nothing
he's
left basically on this PC board. I could grab this tiny IC.
How are you doing, Max?
Why not?
Tough week. I know.
And this one. No, it's not IC, it's standing PC.
Sad and confused.
So I'm not really sure what is this, but I will grab it as well. First, I will just drop into the low grade circuit boards.
Alright, Brenda.
Then what do we have in here? Nothing basically,
Probably gonna eat
just piece of plastic. So that's it for this one. Let's grab the smaller version. This one has like
Brenda tweeted out
tiny
pizza that I so wanted to eat.
connector by the side. This one look like, no, it's not gold plated, so this will go as a simple plugs. Let's just get rid of them right away. And this actually is different company. This is Omron company who make this, manufacture it. And yeah, let's just look what do we find inside of this one. Oh, that one gets some damage at the battery. It's very visible. Battery is for sure in not good condition, so come on out. Okay. Battery don't want to come out. Hello there, Creso. How are you doing?
Kate just needed some more helpful spirits like her friend Max. I hope she finds them now.
How to open this one up? I don't see any screws. No, I can see this
He talks to me.
clips.
I listen.
They did go easy way.
No, Pete. But I think he sees you, Max.
Okay, that is our main control. As we can see, battery is totally dead.
I just look at everything from
But it is still
a different angle.
lithium battery, so we need to remove it from the rest just to be sure it will not end up in the wrong place, like landfill. Look at this, this is really damaged battery, and no one knows it's around in the ground,
The only thing that calms things,
going through the water and all those things.
which reminds me.
Yeah, it's good, I get it. At least what we got on this circuit board, we got like one VGA connector, or yeah, not VGA, how it's called, I just forget the name, for the data transfer through this connector. There's one more, I don't know the name of this one. We got some switches. Sorry. This one
How would you like a partner for a quick photo op?
for sure will have silver contacts. One more plugs with the gold plating. Tiny bit of cables. 1, 2 IC chip. I got one off.
Mrs. Grant looks interested in what
Not sure about this one, if it will come out. No, yeah, it got damaged from the battery juices, so it does come out easily.
I was hoping you could explain us some of these crazy things happening in Arcadia Bay.
If I could, I'd be collecting my Nobel Prize in Science today. I haven't been able to wrap my mind around that eclipse, much less the snow in Wales.
There must be a scientific explanation.
Must be those batteries.
When my
Yeah, for
best
sure.
friends tell me they can't explain a solar eclipse without a single theory as to how or why,
Okay, anyway,
maybe it's time to get one.
let's just grab this
I
flux.
feel like it's changing right in front of us.
You and Samuel both. We were talking about that before you came over. Our planet is changing, but it's not mystic. It's erosion.
Hey, Swanko.
You think that's why all these animals are dying here?
While our shoreline has been receding, not to mention the daily contamination of
You
the
hear
ocean,
that?
that's all you need to kill off sea and wildlife here. Unless you know something I don't.
Mariska, how's your kitties?
That's right.
I was
Thanks.
showing you that videos of your kitties.
Meh. Zatrzymuję.
Co?
Nagrywactwo.
Okej. Nie
The
musisz.
only
Idę sobie.
wormholes in Arcadia Bay are underground. And chaos theory is
No
just
to
that.
oko, idź.